Hello, kumusta everyone? Jesus Emporium here. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, everyone, is a review from a product in this company, any fashion company. So they give this product to me, send this product to me for free. I did not spend not even a dime in this product. Part of that is the unboxing. And the next is a review of my own personal thought, personal opinion. Okay, and of course, I will always do it try on outdoor in all products that I am reviewing. So let's jump into the unboxing of this. And please see you there, and so to my try on too. Thank you in advance. Da-da-da-da-ding! Always careful in using sharp objects. Let's do this. Ooh, exciting! Ha! Ta-da! This come in with a dust bag. Alright, heavy duty dust bag. Ay, ay, ay. Isn't it beautiful? Let's open this one. Ha! You hear that? Slide smoothly. And no sharp teeth. We will check the inside. Okay? This looks like generous inside, no? So there is none inside pocket, none. So there is a pocket at the back. Did you hear that? Oh, you notice that? Aha! Smooth slide perfectly. No sharp teeth. Here. This is the back pocket. So that looks like this, and here comes. Okay, so let's check the material, guys. Soft leather, not super soft. Okay, with this attachment, and I have this with the name on it. Okay, back to back. And the same thing here. I got a name engraved on it. Okay, so alright, check. Everything looks perfect. Everything looks perfect. Awesome. Thank you. Then let's proceed to the strap. Heavy duty strap. Very good. Perfect for spring, summer, in all occasion. Okay, check. With this. Awesome. Very good. Another one. So, okay, there was something. Alright, then. Okay, so looks beautiful. Can't wait to try this outdoor. Very well. You know, heavy duty, hey? So let's connect. And oh, that looks beautiful, isn't it? Super. Okay, what do you say? Here you go. So what do you say? Gorgeous, no? Gorgeous. My wallet fits in here. And my phone, of course. Can't wait. I will give 10 out of 10 for this. Gorgeous, no? That was very smooth. Here, okay. That's my wallet. Look at that. So it still has room for this one. Always has this with me. And I'm thinking of grabbing this, which is very, see, I can still fit that selfie sticker, no? Not really. See? So, I still have room for my eyeglasses. And that's it. See? I still have room. Lots of room still. Okay, so let's go. Grab my other S26 phone. And it fits perfectly here. Okay. Wow.
Every night are we paradise, paradise seems so far away. Still a